Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. So yeah, guys, we got caught by the rain. Buenas tardes. Szybko przejdzie. Hopefully. To jest czucie szamana. To czucie szamana.
koło jako szwander w domu na poddaszu, który został 2 razy sprzedany. Ktoś gdzieś do mnie zepsuł jako wygląda, ale nie.
Dzieciaki sobie tańczą na deszczu, wiesz, biegają, się bawią. Ja i się kładą na tych, na cementach. I są kurde happy ten. A tutaj nie ten kolor tego, nie ten kolor kurde tego i rozpuszczone, nie? W Ameryce, kurwa.
Ja, za dużo rozpuszczone, kurwa tak ten...
You know, dostaną fajny jakiś prezent. O, I don't like the color, I don't want it i płaczą. Really? Tutaj dzieciaki by zobaczyli taką jak biegają sobie bez niczego. Właśnie ja mówiłem Markowi, że jak one już będą za starsze, to już nie będą care about this stuff. Ja mówię Markowi, żeby on dziewczynki przywiózł jak one miały 7-8 years old. Wiesz dlaczego? Bo one by wtedy, to by było fan dla nich, ale by też zobaczyły, się nauczyły, nie? A teraz jak już one będą miały 13-14 lat, to Kayla powie I don't want to go. Ona będzie doesn't like it. Ona nie będzie to interesowała się tym, ona będzie tak. Arek ją gdzieś tu weźmie na jakiś ten, nie? A ona będzie na laptopie siedziała cały czas. Parę razy widziałem turystów tutaj z dzieciakami, przyjechali, no i oni gdzieś tam jadą, coś im pokazują, a te w telefonach mówi look, put down the phone, look, you know. I się tylko rodzice denerwowali tym, że wiesz, że przywieźli dzieciaków 4000 miles across do dżungli. I wiesz, i oni they don't care, you know. Yeah guys, so as you guys can see, we have a brief rain delay. We got caught in this lovely torrential downpour, but it's getting lighter right now. You see it's getting a little lighter again. So yeah, that's what happens guys, at the end of this rainy season is what they call it. And see the families right away, they put out the rainwater buckets, because then they're going to collect that rainwater and use it for cooking and drinking. So yeah, a couple more minutes, we're gonna wait it out, because yeah, the clouds are moving, it's getting lighter. Sun's gonna pop through in a moment, and those, because there was just one cloud. There was remember the big black cloud that was following us on the way? Yeah, it was like any minute now that it was supposed to burst, and there it is, it bursted. But now I think it's dying out already. Couple more minutes guys and we're right now we're in the Independencia, so we're like 5 minutes away from Barrio Florido, as they say around here. Not Barrio Florido, it's Barrio Florido. Florido. No, and so yeah, so we're gonna hang out there for a little bit. We're gonna go see my old buddy Coco. Coco. We're gonna go see Coco. He's a riot. He's got a little bar and restaurant with his wife down in Barrio Florido, right by the balsa, right by the floating raft where the boats come and go. And there's actually, guys, a couple of places I wanted to show you down there, because There's a place called Fundo Pedrito, which is kind of like a tourist zoo. It's kind of like a petting zoo. So yeah, there's animals are caged, some of them, but you're allowed to like interact with them and stuff, and you know, have fun and take photos and stuff like that. So so yeah, that's what's. We're about 5-6 minutes away, and it looks like the rain has passed us. So I'm gonna do a battery swap, guys, and then we're gonna do an hasta la chow chow. Because I need both hands. See, this guy already has gone into the market. All right, I think, yeah, we're gonna come from under the roof. We just stopped at some guy's house here, but they had a lovely parakeet talking to us. Hola. Hola. All right, guys, so all hands on deck. I got 10% left. Right, so we have to do this very stealthily because I don't want to get the batteries wet, guys. So hasta la chow chow, bye for now, over and out from Independencia, Punjana, minus Loreto, Peru.